Stay tuned for the next edition of Did You Know? Hi, I'm Reggie Bell with Titusville Fire and Emergency Services, your public life safety specialist. Welcome to another edition of Did You Know? Did you know that each year hundreds of children die in home fires? Studies show that more than half of those young ones die in their sleep. And there are a number of reasons that may happen. But studies have proven that one of the reasons they most probably did not hear the smoke detector, or there were not active smoke detectors in the home. Tests have shown that children sleep much differently than adults, especially small children. They sleep in stages. They sleep much deeper than adults. Some adults can wake up at the drop of a hat, but not small ones, not children. Do a test with your children. Turn on the smoke detector at night, 2 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock in the morning, and see what happens. See if they awaken. It was done by a Boston lieutenant from one of their fire departments. He did a test on their children, and it found that he had 3 small ones, and none of the children woke up before a minute and a half had passed. A minute and a half. And every second counts when there's a fire. It could prove to be disastrous if the children do not wake up or hear the alarm. Harvard University did a study. And in conjunction with Harvard, there's a new smoke detector that's out. And it's been out for probably about a year and available to the public for purchase. And it's done by a company by the name of KidSmart. KidSmart is a company that improvised a smoke detector and combined it with a recorder and a speaker. And how it works, you can put your voice on as a care provider or a parent, put your voice on the smoke detector with your child's name, and it bellows the sound out and tells them, Reggie, it's a fire, get out of the house and go to our meeting place. Not like the traditional smoke detectors that beep, 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 and the child may not hear it. It would be so sad for a child to lose their life because they did not hear a smoke detector. And it happens every year. Examples have proven that. The other thing is very important, that we go to all the elementary schools in the city and we question little ones and we ask them, how many smoke detectors do you have in your home? Many will say 1 or 2. We can ask the same questions of how many televisions do you have in your house? Very few will say 1 or 2. Most will say 4 or 5. Parents, remember, smoke detectors save lives. Active smoke detectors that are working, save lives. Here at Titusville Fire Department, we have a program. We distribute smoke detectors, a giveaway. If you qualify, please contact me or anyone at fire headquarters, and we will give you the information. And if you're unable to install the smoke detector, we will even come to your home, send a crew out to your home and install the smoke detectors and make sure your family is safe. The other thing that's important, did you know that every year elementary schools, they perform a minimum of 6 fire drills in the school during a school period, which is 9 months. They have 6 required fire drills a year. How many fire drills do you have in your home a year? Have you ever had one? What about a plan of escape in the event of a fire? If the child get up, what are they supposed to do? Do you have a meeting place? These are all things we need to think about now before an incident occurs. It's too late after the fact. Many things we plan vacations, we plan meals, we plan where we're going to go to dinner. Let's all plan an escape for our children and ourselves in the event of an emergency in the home, and have a common meeting place. So no one is worried about where Reggie is or where someone is. You'll see him there by the mailbox or by the neighbor's door or by the big tree in the front yard. It's important that we have a plan. It's important that we practice the plan. And it's important that the children know what to do and where to go, and never go back into a house once they leave that house. Also, it's important for us to explain to our children that there is no such thing as a false alarm. If they hear the alarm, they need to get out and stay out. Once the firefighters come, or an adult or someone of authority comes and give them permission to re-enter the home, then it's fine. But it's no such thing as a false alarm. So in summary, a few things we need to talk about again to stress the fact that we have working smoke detectors in the home. If we have children, be very concerned about them being able to awaken if they hear the smoke alarm. And consider, please, the Kid Smart smoke detector, because it has your voice on it and that child's name and a direction for them to go outside the house and find a common meeting place. Whatever you put on that smoke detector as a recording, that's what that child will do. It's proven that they will wake up within 10 to 14 seconds versus a minute, 2 minutes, or maybe not even waking up at all. It means their life, the safety of your family. With this, we'll show two examples. One example with the traditional smoke detector and the other example of the Kid Smart smoke detector.
Haley, get up. There's a fire. Go to our meeting place.
Great job, Haley. You did it exactly as I planned. You made it to our meeting place.
So from these two examples, we can see that the Kid Smart smoke detector, this 6-year-old granddaughter, she awakened in a matter of seconds versus not waking up at all with the other one. So obviously, this is the way to go, to install a Kid Smart or a similar device in your child's bedroom to awaken them, to save their life. To do this, it's important for all of us. Did you know?